Hello, hi, and welcome to another video dito sa Mimita Chinita channel. And for today's video, we're going to talk about Nature Republic Forest Garden Chamomile Cleansing Oil. Para saan ba ang mga oil cleanser? And what do I think about this specific brand? Panoorin! For those who are new to my channel, my name is Mimi and I upload videos on product reviews for skincare and hair care products. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell. Let's proceed to the video! How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. I know it's been a while simula nung huli kong upload ng product review. This is not sponsored by Nature Republic. I'm just gonna be sharing my experience and also opinion about this product. If ever you feel any discomfort or irritation, stop using the product and make sure to consult your doctor. Ano ba ang oil cleanser? So, if you are familiar with the Korean skincare routine, di ba marami siyang steps. And isa sa mga unang steps niya is yung double cleansing. Wherein, besides your normal foam wash, you also need to have an oil cleanser. Kasi siya yung mas nagtatanggal ng mga deep-seated na dirt. And syempre yung mga hindi basta-basta nagre-react with the foam wash, possibly nagre-react sila with oil. Kaya kailangan oil cleanser. Also, this specific brand, it boasts about having a chamomile cleansing oil. So, ano ba ang chamomile cleansing oil? Why is it important dito sa product na ito? So, cleansing oil, this cleansing oil contains chamomile water which protects skin from various harmful materials and stress, providing moisture to skin and leaving skin soft and healthy. So, diba? Ang ganda. It helps the skin to be protected from harmful materials and stress. O, diba? Perfect na perfect sa akin kasi alam niyo naman ako, diba? Maatake yung aking eczema kapag nasa-stress ako and they appear everywhere. Grabe talaga, diba? Minsan sa face pa, lalo dito sa part na to, it's itchy, it's red, it's gross. So, this really helps me. And hindi lang yun ang benefits ng chamomile oil. Chamomile oil also protects sensitive skin, which, alam niyo naman, very sensitive ang skin ko. So, magkano ba to? This, ganito kalaki. Ang laki, di ba? This cost me almost 1,000. Merong mas maliit nito, parang 600 lang if I'm not mistaken. It's just so happen na nung bumili ako, wala na daw yung ganong kaliit. So, parang ako, okay, I just have this. And matagal mong gamitan kasi yung mas maliit nga nito, nagamit ko siya siguro mga 1 year. Pero I have to admit, di kasi ako araw-araw nagaganito nung before. Also, this is available sa Nature Republic. When I got mine, binigyan nila ako ng standee. 4 na standee ng isang K-pop band. Diba? Hindi ko lang sila kilala, pero hindi sila yung BTS. Hindi ko alam, hindi ako familiar sa mga K-pop. So, kung sino may gusto ng standee ko, please, comment na lang kayo siguro. And then, I'll let you know kung available pa siya. O pinamigay ko na, I don't know. I'm not sure if you can buy this online kasi nga, meron akong malapit sa aming Nature Republic and I really like visiting the store. So, sana talaga matapos na itong ECQ. Kasi, alam mo yun, papagood vibes niyo yun, medyo pampakalma din yung store nila eh. So, how do you use it? Very good that meron direction. So, dispense an appropriate amount, 2 to 3 pumps on your dry palm and gently massage it onto the dry face. Diba? And wet your hands with water. Continue to lightly massage onto the face until it turns into a milky color. Yun nga pala isa sa mga nakikita ko. Pag ginamit mo to, di ba, oil lang siya. Pero kapag ginagamit mo na siya, dun lang siya na parang nagiging, parang milky nga, ganon. So, ganun mo siya gamitin. Una, lagyan mo muna sa kamay. Walang tubig, walang basaan muna. Tapos, lagay mo siya to. Tapos, saka mo siya unting binabasa. And then, dun mo makikitang nag-white na siya. Tapos, parang milky substance niya lagay mo sa face mo. Appearance nga, it's so so nice. Di ba? As very easy to use. Tapos meron pa siyang lock. Kasi for people like me na medyo OC-OC. Di ba? Na medyo a little bit clumsy. This really helps na merong lock. What do I mean? Di ba? Hindi ko matagal. Ayan. So, ngayon pwede ko nang, syempre wag natin lagyan ng ano kasi may lalabas. Pero, ayan. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin kapag gagamitin mo na. And once you're done, balik mo lang. Oh, di ba ang galing? So, at least, secure siya. Diba? Kahit may ma-aksidente mo mabangga or what, malagyan ng pressure, at least nakalock siya. So, would I repurchase? Actually, this is my repurchase. Yun. Mas gusto ko sana yung mas maliit, pero ito nga lang available ng time na bumili ako. So, I just have to buy it. Kasi, I really love this product. Parang isa talaga siya sa mga staple ko. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag tinatamad talaga ako mag-skincare routine, ito lang, sapat na, okay na ako. Kasi, yun nga, mas natatanggal niya yung mga deep-seated na dumi. Is it worth the price? The fact na nagamit ko ng about a year, yung mas maliit dito ng unti. So, feeling ko mga 2 years ko itong gagamitin. I think, sulit naman siya kahit na medyo pricey kasi nga almost 1,000 to. And stars, I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5 since I really love this product. Diba? It's mild to my skin. It does its purpose. Sulit na sulit. So, perfect. 5 out of 5. And there you have it. I hope meron kayo natutunan. I hope nag-interested kayo sa product na ito at sa double cleansing na tinatawag ko. If you wanna know more about it, if you have questions, sige, lagay nyo lang dyan sa comment section sa baba. Also, if you've been using the product or if you have some recommendations kung ano pa bang magandang oil cleanser na gamitin, just share your experience. Again, i-comment nyo lang. I highly appreciate that. Please like and share this video, and remember, you can always be the best version of yourself as long as you keep on trying. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!